Racing just is started. We hear you break quickly at the start, rushing up now at the outside. Ikaw ang pag-asa, also showing speed now is a sense of joy and going along for the first turn. Oh, we have ikaw ang pag-asa, the leader, moving up down on the inside is we hear you, and on the outside now is a sense of joy. Down in port is a Berry Bear. Then next in line, moving up now on the outside is Amazing Isla. Rushing up now to take 6 is Sky Warrior. Then followed now by Levi's Pet. While Kirsten Chloe now racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, the lead now belongs to We Hear You by about half length. Then moving up now on the outside is a sense of joy. Dropping back in third is Ikaw ang pag-asa. Then moving up now on the outside is entry number 5, and this one is Sky Warrior. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have We Hear You by our length and a half. A sense of joy in second. Moving up now to take third is Sky Warrior. And down the stretch they come. We have We Hear You this time by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Sky Warrior. Entering the finish line, the program opener, We Hear You. Second, Sky Warrior's sense of joy. Then comes Berry Bear. Amazing is